Njani mubareba mbabo basi nimugireba basi ya grobo eriyo korira abana eminyeto.
Breaking news, amawulire si malungi agavaako ku saidi ya NRM mu lunaku olwaleero. Abanambalala oba Abanyankole nkugambye bayikyanze ne bagamba nedda tetugenda hakulala eyo. Lwaki ngenda kubeera nga mbikunyendo video nkugambye abyogedde Munyankole era abadde mu mbalala abadde mu bantu. Kitegeeza ki? Ebyaddala effect ya His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi etandise okubeera nga erya Uganda yonna. Effect ki? Ngenda kubeera nga ngikunnyonnyola mu maaso awo, naye nga tetunagendayo mbadde nsaba eno video osoko jimpereka like bw'oba omaze subscribing wano wokka ogenda osanga information we bati banange no channel ate promoting have violence. Kale katugende mu kyatulesa olunaku olwaleero. Omukulu amanyikiddwa nga President Museveni baddala Abanyankole banyiize bagambye nedda ffe tetugenda kubeera nga tukola ki tukusupportinga kuno ffe twamala dda kubeera nga tulonda president waffe era president waffe ye Robert Kyagulanyi. Eno video njagala ogiwulirize bulungi. Oyo Munyankole by the way abadde mu bantu era nga ayogera Munyankole kitegeeza bonna badde bamwetoolodde babadde ku side ye si woka waliwo ne video ndala olabira ddala abantu nga bagamba obana abaana balagawa. Okitegeera video yino soko girabe omulindooza mu comment section.
Njani mubareba mbabo basi nimugireba basi ya grobo eriyo korira abana eminyeto eriyo netwara kisayi bana mwe mbwenu Museveni wembwenu akiyamogo okusomba abantu nugo yayihiremu. hariho kindi ekibihiremu aba NRM bakiyamogo okusomba abantu turi aho muri mbalala ndiyo nimbareka basi ezindi manyobwe njije ndisho njigire njani mubareba mbabo bariyo nibasomba mbari nkabo kusomba obu.
Tulera bitukuzikanyiri abantu bine ekyokulya dama abandi beme.
Ekizibu ky'amaanyi ssaawa zino mu Uganda amaze kwetegereza ekizibu kiri kuba middle income earners abo balowooza abalinamu ku kasente bo balowooza ebyaddala bamala dda okubeera nga batuuka era bibasinga okusupportinga kalaya yero. Naye olunaku olwaleero nkugamba ekibadde wali eggulu abatuuze bagambye nedda ffe twagala okubeera nga tuwelkaminga His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi n'okusinga e Kampala wuno akulira NUP wali ku saidi y'eggulu ng'akunnyonnyola ebyaddala. Njagala kumendooze mu comment section bana basajja banasobola kwanda Uganda babuuse atana subscribing.
Action. Because when you come, you begin firing tear gas on people, you begin shooting people. There are people who may even try to grab your guns if you try to intimidate them. Because they have anger that they will even decide that you kill me because you have killed so many of their relatives. You have killed so many of their loved ones. So we don't want to witness such a situation. Allow His Excellency Bobby Wine to do his campaign. Lastly, up to today, the entire NRM system has refused to identify a venue for Bobby Wine's rally in Gulu district and in Gulu city. Intentionally, despite our request, you go to the district will tell you get clearance from security. You go to security, they will tell you we are having a security meeting. And up to now, they have never identified for us a venue where Bobby Wine will speak to the people. And they think we are stupid. The other time, they call one of our leaders from Arua. That you come, we want to discuss with you the issue of the venue. At the last minute, this man went there to meet the RDCs over the venue issue. Upon reaching there, he was arrested. And you just can't imagine. And that's why it's now very hard for noob leaders to come and sit on round table with those ones in the RDCs or with the police, because their intention is evil on the leaders of noob. Their intention is to see that once the likes of Ogoni, if they are with them, they must make sure he's in prison. That is the mindset they have. And they expect Ogoni to go and sit with them. Then after the meeting, they disappeared with you. And you think I'll come for such kind of meetings. Lastly, and as I close, to my people, we know the kind of army UPDF is. These were rebels at one point, and these are terrorists on our people at one point. They kill our innocent people, they slaughtered our people like animals, they defecated on in our ports, they did all kinds of evils on our people. These are not patriotic army, these are not patriotic national army. These are group of looters, these are group of terrorists. So if you are going in the field, when you see UPDF and they begin firing bullets, just get down. Do not stand, because they will shoot you. They will shoot you. Do not stand. If they fire bullets, get down. Do not run. Don't run. Some of you, if you hear a bullet, you begin running around. Once you hear a bullet, just get down. Because the way bullets move, it moves in a zigzag way. At the end of the day, if you are running, the bullets will get you. So I am now giving you some small tips on security. Because we have been in the war here for 25 years, so we have the experience. These are things they have been telling us during the war. That when you hear bullets, you don't run. Don't just try to panic. Get down. And now I'm telling you, when these criminals come, because they are not supposed even to be there, when they come and they begin shooting bullets, do not run, do not even panic, just get down. These people, they are human beings like us. They are human beings like us. They also have blood. They also breathe. They are not machines. What they carry is a machine, but they themselves, they are not machines. They are human beings. During the LRA war, some of them would even run and hide themselves for safety. They only look strong with the weapon they carry, but without any weapons, they are just nothing. They are nothing. So don't fear them. Do not fear them. I call upon you. Let's come in thousands and in millions to welcome our president, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. I call upon all of you to be strong, because the struggle we are in doesn't need cowards, need revolutionaries. We must not be scared that hey, they are going to come with ABCD. Be strong. The victory is ours. On the day of voting, go and vote for Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu for president. Nero bolukwi, cherry bolukwi ki Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Alama nete umbrella. Nero bolukwi yen amogoni ukelo Samuel Sebi. LC5 chairman Gulu.